My name's Dottie Jacobs, and I've recently moved to Surprise, Arizona from Portland, Oregon. We moved in about a year ago, and what was interesting is I turned on the water and I was shocked that it took over a minute and a half to get any hot water to the bathroom. This isn't a huge house, and so I was used to hot water immediately. And what I found here is I was waiting and I was waiting. And the funny thing is, everyone who knew we were moving to Arizona would say, "Aren't you worried about the water?" Well, that put it in my head, yes, I am worried about the water. So not to have hot water immediately and to waste so much water while I'm waiting for hot water just seemed ineffective. So I found out that Grundfos provided a pump that would enable me to have hot water immediately. And again, that's what I was used to in Portland. So once we put this in, it went from about a minute and a half to immediate hot water in my main bathroom. So I was really excited to do that. And I knew that there was a huge water savings with the pump, and that water savings I've heard is estimated at 12,000 gallons a year. That's pretty significant. So I'm really happy with the change in our system here and the fact that I have immediate hot water.